Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Black Shark Pad SE, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And let me go back. And in the settings we need to scroll and find the option Security and Privacy. Then let's scroll down and find more Security and Privacy. Scroll down again and find Encryption Credentials. Tap on it, of course, and here choose Clear Credentials. Your device will ask you if you really want to do this, so just tap on OK and enter your screen lock to confirm everything. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.